Hi there, my name is Ariella Hayter, physical therapist, Pilates instructor, and Pilates studio owner of Pilates Santé in Los Gatos, California. And today I wanted just to review a little bit about postural stacking and what that term means. And so, if you've read the blog where you can actually see a video of me talking about the curvature of our spine and how many of us have been taught or believe that we need to lengthen and almost like overly correct our spine position. And what unfortunately that's done for us is created a poor stacking position, which doesn't allow us to efficiently engage our core stabilizing muscles. And it's really inefficient just in terms of the stressors on our spine in general. So I'd like you just to imagine right now that your rib cage is a ring, a cylinder, and such what it is, and your pelvis is. And so one of the things you can do when you're looking at aligning your posture is first to work with the pelvis. And so if I rock my pelvis underneath me and then I rock my pelvis behind me and then I find a sweet spot that's somewhere in the middle, and I can kind of think of doing the same thing with my rib cage. So I can flare my ribs up and shear them anteriorly forward. Then I can bring them back posteriorly and round, and then come to that sweet spot right in the middle. And so, in ideal posture, when we talk about rib cage to pelvic stacking, the rib cage ring is aligned over the pelvic ring. And in this position, I can then breathe and function in this really nice, safe, efficient way where my deep stabilizers engage and my spine doesn't have stress on it. Also, what can then happen is my cervical spine can take advantage of the position of my rib cage and pelvis and stack efficiently in that posture. So, in our functional activities, we're going to move out of the ideal position, but I think understanding how to achieve the ideal position initially, particularly when we're doing standing exercises, say in our Pilates class, the more efficient we can be with muscular engagement and getting the most out of the exercise that we can. I'd love to know what tips and tricks you've been given for postural stacking or postural realignment techniques. Please comment below. And if you want more videos like this, I'd love to see you hit the bell icon and subscribe. Thanks so much and have a great day.